My family of four was spending $1,200 a month on groceries. After building these 6 habits, we now spend under $800, and we are eating better than before. Not one of these habits requires coupons or extreme effort. Shopping without a list costs 20 to 30% more every single trip. Grocery stores are designed from the floor plan up to make you buy more. A list built from your meal plan is the most powerful shopping tool you have. Canned goods, frozen vegetables, dairy, spices. Store brand is identical. Store brand is typically 20 to 40% cheaper on these items. Keep name brands only where the taste difference genuinely matters to you. Look at the store app or flyer before you write your meal plan, not after. Build your meals around what is on sale that week. When protein is on sale, plan that protein for 2 or 3 meals. The average household wastes $1,500 of food per year. That is $125 per month. First in, first out. Older items go to the front of the fridge every time. Wilting vegetables become soup, stir-fry, or eggs, never the trash. Log your grocery receipt total every single week. Most households genuinely do not know what they spend on food. Awareness alone typically reduces spending by 10 to 15%. The free grocery tracking and meal planning printables in the description make all 5 of these habits automatic. Download them from the link below. New Money Tips Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.